Hey, what's up guys? We are back with yet another theme for Mi Band 3. This time it is a Batman theme. In this video, we are gonna look at what's new and unique about this theme. If you wanna know how to install a theme in your Mi Band 3, check out this video. Also do hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting with new icon design for stopwatch and timer. We also got new pause and play button as a Batman logo. Press and hold animation to get a Batman style animation. Heart rate monitor has slightly tweaked icon which looks good. More icon has a Batman face. Silent and Find My Device had some interesting icon that too resembles a Batman face. Next, we have 3 new watch faces. Of course, second one even shows the battery level. About section shows developer details and version info, no calendar here. What's interesting here is the new exercise and treadmill icon. Character present in the icon is wearing a Batman mask which looks dope and missing in most of the other themes. Notification icon also gets a new icon pack. Distance icon resembles a racetrack. Calorie burn has fire. Nothing fancy here. That's pretty much it. It's the watch faces and few icons which makes it different from other theme. The download links are in the description down below. If you faced any issues, do comment down below. Also, we got lots of theme video on our channel. Do check it out. Till then, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.